What's going on YouTube? This is the Hummingbird F4 V3. It's a 65mm tiny whoop. This drone is only $89. This is one of the cheapest tiny whoops that you can get. It is definitely worth the money. If you are not into tiny whoops and you're not sure what to get and you just want to try it out, this is the perfect drone. This is the first tiny whoop I've ever bought, and I love it so far. It's really fun. The frame that's on this is the Cockroach 65 frame. It's a pretty durable frame. I've cracked it already though, but I think that's like mostly my fault because I flew indoors and I was flying pretty fast. But I would recommend flying this dude outside first, just to get the hang of things. I cracked it on the canopy, and then I cracked it on the ducting part, but it's easily fixed with super glue and it's still going strong. The camera that comes on this is the BI camera. It's a decent camera. I don't really have any complaints on it. The only thing I could maybe complain about is the saturation on it is a little washed out sometimes, but other than that, it's pretty decent. The canopy is the Goober canopy. Just by looking at it, it kind of looks like it does not look durable. Like especially at the screw holes. The place it cracked at was right next to the camera, so I mean that was the least expected place to crack, and that's where it did. The total weight of this drone without a battery is around 23 grams. So I mean it's not the lightest tiny whoop there is, but it's still a pretty fast one. The motors that come on this are the 0802 25,000 kV motors, so it's pretty high kV. The propellers that come on it are the AZ Tri-Blade 31mm propellers, and as you see, I already had to change my propellers because the first day out of the box, the propellers would either fly off of the drone or they would just shatter, which I was kind of surprised because I would figure tiny whoop props to be super durable, but those ones they sent were just were not durable. So I would recommend, you know, if you're planning on buying this, to definitely order some extra propellers with it, because the ones they send with it are just garbage. I got some Gym Fan propellers and they have not flown off the drone once or shattered, and I have flown this thing hard, like a lot harder than I did the first day I got it. It's really easy to set up. I got the ELRS version, so all I had to do was just plug it in and hit the bind button and hit bind on my controller, and it was bound. When you first plug it in, it comes in angle mode, so if you're not wanting to fly in angle mode and you want to be in acro, you'll have to plug it in the beta flight and change that, and also probably change your rates. Other than that, I don't really have any critiques about this little tiny whoop. It's really fun and awesome for your first tiny whoop. So let's go look at some footage of me flying this bad boy around in the yard and getting used to things.